Welcome to Computech Manufacturing Company and our 90,000 square foot AS9100 certified state-of-the-art facility located in Washington, Missouri. Computech Manufacturing Company has been providing turnkey solutions for custom process automated equipment and precision machined parts and assemblies since 1988. Computech is proud to provide a quality, one-stop shop for custom automation, tooling, and machining applications. Our team of engineers and technicians collaborate with our potential clients to collect sufficient customer process-related information so that we can effectively challenge the existing processes and develop innovative and cost-effective solutions to a whole host of manufacturing process issues. We have experience in a wide variety of industries and technologies and have provided solutions including automated assembly and inspection, vision and robotics, and special process equipment for a wide variety of markets including automotive, agricultural, aerospace, pharmaceutical, food, and general industry. Because our equipment is completely designed and built in-house, we are able to provide unparalleled quality and customer service before, during, and after the sale. Our award-winning multi-axis machining and precision fabrication, welding, and assembly capabilities are second to none. We provide aerospace quality precision machining and assembly services for prototype through production volumes in a wide variety of materials. Our core values of quality, safety, performance, integrity, respect, teamwork, and philanthropy are reflected in the actions of our greatest asset, our employees. Computech Manufacturing, your quality one-stop shop for custom automation, tooling, and machining.